All of you. Thank you for coming. And it's a good day to announce the launch of two shows. Um, Basically, today we got a rating for Bach 40th week, and our channel Sony did extremely well. And KBC has been a number one show. The reason I'm telling you all these things, this show is going to replace that. So, so, so the responsibility of ensuring the viewership continue and the viewers, Sony viewers are entertained, lie on two extremely unique producer. Actually, one producer was a intern of the other producer a few years back. So we have a 27-year-old producer of Ek Deewana Tha, Pratik Sharma. Few years back, he started his life, he's from Indore, he came to Bombay and started his life being intern with Siddharth Malhotra. And that's the reason we want to launch this show. So the Guru and the Chela both are here. So we'll launch basically there are two shows. One launches at 10 o'clock, Ek Deewana Tha, which is a love story, and Pratik will speak more about it. The second show is Hasil. Hasil is extremely ambitious show for us. The brief to Siddharth was to create something which has not been created on Indian television, finite thriller, a finite thriller which is very episodic, you know. Every episode there is a reason to come and watch the next episode. But I'll come to Hasil. First, let's introduce a team behind Ek Deewana Tha. I think this Pratik's labor of love. He has been at it for quite some time. So I would invite Pratik. He's a very young. He is Anshuman Sinha, who is here. Anshuman and his team. So between these two teams, they have come up with a show which we believe is something which is very new, fresh, and will set a kind of love story which has never been seen on television. Before Pratik speak, and he speaks a lot, we'll see a pehli jhalak of Ek Deewana Tha.
First of all, I am very nervous today. It's happening with me for the first time. And I would really like to thank everyone at Sony, especially Danish sir, Anshuman sir. Danish sir is the one because of whom I got this opportunity. And with this opportunity comes a lot of pressure and responsibility. The entire team that has worked really hard to put up this show together, I'm going to introduce all of them. First of all, I would like to call Vikram Singh Chauhan playing Vyom Bedi in our show. There are two very special people. A very old friend of mine and who's like been the veteran in our industry. He has been there on this show just for one reason, because it is my first show. I would like to call Amar sir on stage through the lens of my eyes, and I'm glad that they are part of this show. This is one very important element of the show, but there is another element that makes any show what it is. First of all, I will now, to go on to the writers, I would like to introduction is a wrong word for her because she has done some great body of work and we all respect her. She's like our teacher on the show, Mrinal Jha. Unfortunately, she's not here. She's enjoying in US, but we are very thankful to her for being a part of this show. Now, the other person is my screenplay writer, my co-writer, my partner, who's the spinal cord of my creative work. Whatever I've done till date, I've done it only with Shilpa Puri, who's sitting right there. ये हमारी पूरी back-end team है, and the people who have actually created the show. The two most important people who have shot the show, they have told me that what you are saying is wrong. जो तुम सोच रहे हो वो गलत. And Pratik. Manan started the show. He created the first few episodes very beautifully. Pratik has joined him in the team, and he's doing some great work on the show. Then one very important person who is like my counterpart in the show, who has been there with me, supported me all throughout, who has got the entire production together, that is Vishal Pasrija. My brother who has really helped me to create this show. I think, yeah. And Hanuz is not here, who's our DOP. He has done some great work on the show, and we all are enjoying the kind of, the way he has shot the show. So, Ek Deewana Tha is a show that is not a horror show. It's a romantic thriller. We can call it a romantic thriller. And I've put in everything for this show. Whatever little I had, I have put in this show. in the making of this show. Sony has trusted me, Danish sir, Anshuman sir have trusted me, and it's a very big responsibility to prove them right. I am trying day in, day out, trying really, really very hard to make it a big hit. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much.
Plus the entire team of Ek Divana Tha. Thank you so much, guys. We'll have a small little photo up and yeah. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes.